Hey there, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Werewolf, and I stream games and make music from time to time. I want to make this video to cover a new plugin that handles VST3 plugins much easier than KV Elements. It's atkAudio. I've noticed that KV Elements on their official website doesn't give a free download to it anymore. I believe it's been updated to be a paid software. I do know that you can get KV Elements from a GitHub website, but that I haven't tried myself. So the main benefits of atkAudio compared to KV Elements is you don't need to handle node-based routings of audio sources, effects, and outputs. You'll lose the flexibility of customizing your FX routing, but it'll be just like adding a normal audio filter on OBS. Here, let me show you. Okay, so we're currently in my OBS, and this is what atkAudio looks like. If I go here on my mic, put on filters, add, and you can see there are different atkAudio plugins that you can add on, and it's the audio plugin host that I will personally use for VST3 plugins that I already have in my PC. Let's press OK. We don't have to give it any name for now. Let's just go open plugin settings, and after you have located your VST3 plugins, you click options, scan for new or updated VST3 plugins, and you can see where you could put your custom folders or your preset folders to where you install your VST3 plugins. You press the scan after adding those folders in, and it would load everything here. And once you have found the VST3 plugin you want to use, let's say I wanted to use OTT on my mic audio, I click on OTT, load plugin, and there you go. It's showing the OTT and it's very working. And that's what atkAudio looks like. This is atkAudio. This is where you can get it. I will leave a link for it in the description for you guys to download it. It's free, first of all, and it's pretty good for what it is. I have tested it multiple times, especially with this that I called Haze. It is a free plugin that I was able to find through YouTube, and it basically does this weird but really cool chorus and reverb effect going on. Right now, it's definitely sounding like it is doing some heavy processing, but I guarantee you that's all because of this VST3 plugin that atkAudio is able to run, which is very, very cool. But yeah, if you want weird effects like this on your streams or on your normal recordings, and you needed something that would make it more compatible with OBS Studio, then here you go. It's pretty easy. atkAudio is just an add or remove plugin. You don't have to play around with KV Elements, node structures, and everything. It's just that simple. It's very cool.